Hello, viewers. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to the Smart Study with Shivani. Today, we will be learning about some easy tricks of multiplication. Without much ado, let's begin. Over here, the first multiplication question is 7 times 9. What if we don't know the table of 7 or 9? Then traditional method is we make 7 groups of 9 each. So basically we are doing additions 7 times 9. That is 9 plus 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, which adds up to 63. Now I have brought a short trick for you all. Let's check. First, we have to write the first digit, that is 7. We just have to simply subtract 1 from the 7. So we get 6. And 6 is your first digit of your answer. Now we have to subtract this 6 from 9. So we get 9 minus 6, that is 3. So our answer is 63. Wow! Very simple, isn't it? Moving on to the next question. It is 21 times 99. So what we have to do the traditional way is we do 21 times 99. First we take the unit value 9 and we multiply. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So the first row we get 189. Next, we multiply the tens position of 9, that is 90. So we put 1 0 and then again 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. And then we add up these two rows. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 is carry forward. 8 plus 1 plus that carry forward 1 is 10. So 0 and 1 again is carry forward. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now what if we do some silly mistake in doing the carry forwards or we forget to add the carry forwards? Then we simply end up with wrong answer. So the trick over here is, again we have to write the first number, that is 21. We subtract 1 from that 21, so we get 20. 20 becomes the first answer. And now we subtract this 20 from 99, that is 99 minus 20, it's 79. So our answer is 2079. Wow! So simple and easy. And it's a hassle free. We don't have to do any carry forwards or any multiplication, nothing. Now let's take one more example. Oh my god, 384 and 999. There are two 3-digit numbers. Traditionally, if we do it, we have a look on it. It's 384 times 999. So first we will do it by unit number, that is 9. So we get 9 times 4 is 36. We put 6 and we take carry forward of 3. So 9 times 8 is 72 plus that 3 carry forward makes it 75. Now the carry forward is 7. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 7 of that carry forward adds up to 34. So our first row will get 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when we multiply it with a tens digit of 9, we get 90. So we will do it as 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. And when we do it with the third 9, which is at the 100th position, we will get 900. We have to multiply the number with 900. So we will get as 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 0. Now we have to all add these things and we will end up with the result 383616. But if you carefully notice, we have many carry forwards when we multiply by 999 and we also have carry forwards when we add these 3 rows. So again we go to our simple easy trick, that is we just simply subtract 1 from 384. So we get as 383, which forms the first part of our answer, 383. And we simply subtract this 383 from 999. So we get answer as 616 and our final answer is 383616. Simply it is done in fraction of seconds without any carry forwards and without any confusion into our mind. This was a short video from my end today. Hope you all have enjoyed it, liked it. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Have a good day.